Today I will bring you 4 free NFT games, play to earn, no investment. And if you like these videos, be sure to leave a thumbs up and we will record another video where we will show you more NFT games that can make you a lot of money. Be sure to let us know down in the comments what games you would like to see in the next video. And also subscribe to our channel to stay updated with all of the news in the world of cryptocurrencies and NFT games. And here are some of the best NFT games that you can try. So let's get started. Alright, now let's get right into this video. As I said, I will be showing you 4 play to earn NFT games. All amazing and you should definitely check them out. If you want to check them out, all the links will be down in the description. So let's start with the first project and the first game called Skyweaver. So Skyweaver is a browser-based collectible trading card game where you can own, trade and gift your cards. It has deeply strategic gameplay together with a player-owned marketplace that lets you win tradable NFT cards on your journey to become a legendary Skyweaver. Skyweaver, as you can see on the website right now, is a free-to-play NFT trading card game built on the Polygon network, so it hosts low fees as well. It's built by Horizon Blockchain Games, and the game has more than 500 base cards for players to unlock, which is quite a lot if you compare it with other trading card games out there. So with these cards, players can build their own decks, you can battle with other players, and you can actually earn rare NFT cards as well. And in February this year, the team released an open beta of the game, so you can play the game right now on your browser, mobile or PC. Now here you can see their website, here you can find guides on how to actually get started, how to play, but also some of the amazing cards they have and the lore they have behind the game, which I would definitely recommend you to check out. As you can see, they have different sets of cards. Here you can see some of them. I think the artwork looks amazing and it's actually a deeply strategic gameplay as well. Now the next project we will talk about, another amazing play to earn NFT game, is called World of Masters. So World of Masters is a completely new generation of card battle turn-based mobile games based on blockchain technology. You can participate in the world of Kung Fu, martial arts and mythology in the most authentic way, and together with the extremely famous legendary heroes from Jin Zhong's top novels in the world to create a unique worldview of your own. In the game you can fight with evil forces or compete with other players to conquer the heights in the game. To talk a little bit more about the gameplay, it's designed around a combination of personal skill and characteristic technical thinking. So you can challenge yourself in the game with different modes, such as PvE, PvP, boss and arena. And all of these come with continuous updates and rewards for you to earn. On their website you can also see some of the gameplay actually. Here you can see a quick sneak peek. But apart from that, you can also learn more about the heroes within the game, the adventure maps you have, about the PvE, which we just mentioned, which you can use apart from PvP, boss and arena, PvP and arena rankings, bounty hunters they have within the game, and the boss battle, perhaps the coolest feature in the game. On their website you can find out way more about the project, such as the team, roadmap and more about the gameplay, so definitely check out the World of Masters website as well. So the third project we will be talking about is called Fi Worlds. Now Fi Worlds is a play to earn game as well, where you can own playable vinyl toys called Vi, and that's also where the name comes from, of course. Owning a Vi NFT allows you to play but also build games on their platform, which I will show you in a moment, and you can earn their in-game currency. And apart from that, you can also get airdrops with limited edition NFTs. The Vi Worlds community is backed by Knock Knock Games, a Web3 game development startup with a fully documented and doxed team from, for example, big gaming companies such as Zynga, Gem City and EA. So a great team behind the project and the platform. So as I said, if you actually own one of those Vi NFTs, which I would definitely recommend you to check out, you gain access to their platform, Vi Worlds. Again, all the links also for Vi Worlds will be down in the description. So here you can actually see the homepage, but you can also start playing, building, check out your inventory and check out their shops. So the platform has a lot for you to offer, so definitely check that out. So the last project I wanted to tell you about is Wizar. Wizar is a free-to-play video game using the blockchain ecosystem. And the play-to-earn mechanic within this game allows anyone to earn tokens by dynamic playing or just contributing to the ecosystem. And by implementing free-to-play and play-to-earn mechanics within the Wizar game, it allows players the revolutionary chance to actually earn money while playing a free game. Now here you can see their website, and again all the links will be down in the description, but I wanted to tell you the difference between Wizar and traditional games. The biggest difference is the economy of Wizar, which is designed to reward players for their contribution to the ecosystem. And this kind of an ecosystem is revolutionary in terms of interaction between the publisher and the players who contribute to that ecosystem. So there's no need for players to buy a game, no need to directly pay the publishers for a pay to win. All items bought in the game can be resold in the game's marketplace or outside of it. And this makes certain that if people really play Wizard, this free-to-play game, so you can get started playing it right now, that if you actually buy the items in the game, that they remain yours, and you can even sell them on external NFT marketplaces. So if you actually want to know more about Wizard the game, I would definitely recommend you to check out their website. Click on the game, there you can watch a trailer of the actual gameplay, but you can also learn more about their roadmap, the different wizards and lands. So definitely check that out. So those were the 4 games and projects I wanted to cover. Now lastly, all the links you will need again will be down in the description. For now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.